In today's video, we're going to show you how to schedule a task in Salesforce CRM. So first, navigate to the Salesforce website and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in your dashboard, you're ready for the next step. Then, look for the search bar at the top of your screen. Go ahead and type in the word tasks. After that, you'll see several options appear. Choose the one that says Open Tasks from the results. Now, look for the inverted triangle icon next to Open Task. Click on that triangle to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on New Task. This will open up the task creation form. Once that's done, you'll see a due date field. This is where you can add the specific date you want to schedule your task for. Just click on the date picker and select your preferred date. Finally, fill in all the other required details for your task. Make sure you complete any mandatory fields, then click Save to create your scheduled task. And that's how you schedule a task in Salesforce CRM. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.